everyone, this is Kim from RV Adventure. Daryl and I decided today that we're going to make a king cake. Here in South Louisiana, it is Mardi Gras time, so everyone loves a good king cake. And this is just one of the many ways that you can make one if you don't feel like going and buying one. And I choose to make this one. Everybody loves it, so I'm going to let y'all in on a little secret of how I do it today. So watch what I'm doing. I messed that up.
Okay. So Kim, tell us what all that you're going to be putting in your king cake.
Do you want to start over?
No, I'll cut it in.
Okay.
No.
Okay, so what we do...
No.
What?
So Kim, tell us what the ingredients are and how you prepare your king cake.
There is 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese, softened. Philadelphia cream cheese. There is 2/3 cup of confectionate sugar. We have an egg. We have a little bit of vanilla, and we have some cinnamon sugar, along with a Granny Smith apple that I cut and peeled and sliced very thin to put in the king cake. It's going to be an apple king cake. So here we go. We're going to salt this. This is softened already, so I'm just going to mix it up. We're going to put the egg in. It's just one large egg that I'm using.
So are you actually making the cake now, or are you just making the icing?
I'm making the actual filling for it.
Okay, you're making the filling for it.
I'm making the filling for the king cake. Then you're going to add the 2/3 cup confectionate sugar. And watch it go everywhere. Then we'll put about a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla in there. That would be the filling part of the king cake. It's going to be a cream cheese and apple king cake. And with this recipe, you always have to use the cream cheese to make the filling. Well, that's the one that I use. This is kind of the tricky part. People have trouble with this, and it takes a while to figure it out, but once you get it, you got it. I have a pan that I just put a piece of aluminum foil in, and you take 2 crescent rolls. 2 packs of crescent rolls, I should say.
How many ounces is those?
How many ounces are they? It's just a regular one. It's 8 dinner rolls. It says 8 ounces. Oh, shoot. And I like to leave these in the refrigerator until I'm going to use them so they won't get all gooey and hard to maneuver. And we're going to unroll it. And we're going to tear each one of them off. They're perforated, and all you do is just take them apart, like you're going to make the actual rolls. Now, we're going to take these and you have to overlap them.
Big side in, little pointy
Yep.
side out, just like a pizza.
Just let them overlap. I usually use my Pampered Chef pan, but it's kind of leaky, so I don't want y'all to see it. Okay, you're just going to let them overlap like this, and then we're going to take the cream cheese and we're going to put it over this. These really are good, and they're so easy to make. When my kids were little, they used to love this king cake. My mother swears it's better than the ones that you can buy at the store because you get more of the filling, as to where a lot of the king cakes you buy are kind of doughy. They have a lot more dough in them, breading, and this one is more of your filling. So just a preference of whatever you like. Now, there's no rhyme or reason to this. It's getting kind of turning because I put it in the refrigerator while I was getting everything else ready. And you have to use the Granny Smith apple. That's the green one. It's just a tartar apple, and it just makes it a lot better. Now, we're going to take the cinnamon sugar, and I just bought the cinnamon sugar. Sprinkle it.
Now, if you don't like cinnamon, you could leave the cinnamon sugar out and just use regular sugar only, or
no. Well, it's calls for. It's the way the king cake's made. All king cakes have cinnamon in them. So
I understand.
If you don't like it, then I guess you could take it out. And they're so good, y'all. Sometimes it gets a little tricky when you get to the end, but it'll come together.
So Kim, this is your first video of you actually cooking something. Is there going to be more to come?
Well, yes. I'm not sure what it'll be, but we'll be cooking something. I'm going to take
maybe leave in the comments below if there's anything Louisiana cooking, spicy. If there's anything particular that you want to learn how to make, maybe Kim could put a video for you. So just leave a comment down below.
What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes until golden brown, and I'll come back with you as soon as I take it out to show you how we decorate it.
Is that a regular oven or?
Well, it's supposed to be a regular oven, yes, 350, but I'm going to use my convection and I'm going to do it down to 325 because that's what you're supposed to do with the convection oven, and I'm going to cook it for 25 minutes in the convection oven. And then I'm going to come back and show you how we decorate it. See y'all in a minute.